All right, welcome. In this explainer, we're going to break down the blueprint for a brand new kind of AI phone agent, one that's so human-like, it might just be the end of our frustration with customer service calls. Okay, let's just start with a feeling I'm pretty sure we all know. You got to call a business, you take a deep breath, you brace yourself, and then you hear it, that dreaded robotic voice on the other end.
And that, right there, is the old way of doing things, you know? It's just clunky, it's impersonal, and honestly, it's a waste of time for everyone. For you, the customer, and for the business that's trying to help.
But what if we could just ditch that maze entirely? Imagine a new way, one that transforms that whole painful experience into an actual, genuine conversation. And look, the change is it's pretty dramatic. We're moving away from that clunky, step-by-step robotic process to one single fluid interaction. This whole leap forward is really powered by a partnership between two key players, Twilio, which handles the phone part, and OpenAI, which provides the AI brain. So what's the real difference here? Well, it's all in the process. The old way is like this clumsy relay race. Your voice gets turned into text, the AI thinks about the text, then that text gets turned back into a robotic voice. The new way? It's totally different. It's speech to speech. It hears your voice and responds with a voice, all in one go, making it way faster, more human, and even able to pick up on your tone.
So, how does this all work? I mean, it sounds kind of like magic, right? But it's not. It actually breaks down into a really simple, elegant, three-part blueprint. Okay, part one. You need the phone connection. This is where Twilio comes in. Just think of it as the phone company for your AI. It gives the AI a phone number and does the basic but crucial job of connecting it to the phone network and streaming the audio.
Then you've got the AI brain. And listen, this is not just any old AI. It's a specialized model from OpenAI, built from the ground up for conversation. It's designed to listen and respond almost instantly, so fast it can figure out what you're saying even before you've finished your sentence. That's what makes it feel so natural.
And that brings us to the third, and honestly, the most crucial piece of the puzzle, the middleman. Because, you can't just plug the phone company directly into the AI brain. It doesn't work like that. You need this program in between to act as a real-time translator, passing the audio back and forth so they can talk to each other.
But there is one specific feature, this one little trick in the whole system that makes the whole thing feel, well, human. It's something we do all the time in our own conversations without even thinking about it.
I mean, think about it for a second. What is one of the most annoying things about those old phone bots? You can't interrupt them. They just talk at you and finish their script no matter what. This new tech gets that a real conversation is a two-way street. It knows when to shut up and listen.
So here's the genius part. That middleman program, it's always listening. Literally the second it hears you start to talk, it pings the AI and tells it to stop talking. It's this simple ability to just respectfully pause that is the secret sauce here. It's what makes the whole interaction feel smooth and natural.
Okay, so we have the blueprint, but how does this actually look in the real world? Let's check out how a company called New Oaks AI takes this whole concept and turns it into a real tool that businesses can actually use. So platforms like this take that whole complex blueprint we just walked through, and they boil it down to just a few simple steps. You write a prompt to give the AI its personality, you connect a phone number, and you pick the real-time AI model. That's it. All of a sudden, this incredibly advanced tech is something anyone can use, not just developers. And once you've done that, what you have is, well, it's like a new team member. A really powerful one. We're not just talking about answering basic questions. This thing can work around the clock to qualify new customers, verify leads, make calls, and even book appointments right onto a live calendar. And get this brain isn't just stuck on the phone. The exact same AI can be running your website chat and your text messages. So you get this consistent personality, this consistent experience for your customers, no matter how they decide to get in touch.
All right, so where is all of this going? What does it actually mean for the next time you have to pick up the phone and call a business? What we're looking at is a total game changer, a huge improvement over those old clunky phone menus we all hate. By putting these pieces together, any business, big or small, can turn a simple phone call into this super smart, scalable tool. It means a future where every single interaction can be fast, personal, and actually effective. And that really brings us to a final kind of provocative question. As this tech gets better and faster and more human-like, it really could change how we think about the front lines of a business.
So, is it possible that your next best hire won't be human at all?